welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog Sweet Life Housewife. Today we're going to talk about what came in my Stitch Fix this month, and I'll do a try on as well. So I'll show it to you first and then I will try it on so you can see what it looks like on an actual person if you're interested in getting any of them, so you can request it in your Stitch Fix if you're getting it. Anyway, if you're new here, you might like to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of videos on style and things that are just current, eco, wellness, and random things sometimes, but usually it ties into style in some capacity. All right, so let's get started without further ado. If you are new to Stitch Fix, it comes with this that you can return it with, and then it also has the sheet that has the pricing on, which I never really look at until afterwards to see if I want to get something. And it also has this little storyboard that shows you what's going to be what you're looking at and how you might be able to style it. So there's a note from my stylist. She says, "Your style delivered. Hey there, Maria, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome back. I'm glad some items in the last fix worked out for you, blah, 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 blah." So anyway, she tries to tie it into stuff that she knows I will like or that I requested. I don't want to bore you with the whole letter, but in any case, here we go. Try to do it as quietly as possible. Okay, so I'm going to show you these piece by piece. So this is a cute dark floral top. Dark florals are in this fall. I don't prefer a lot of red, but this actually is cuter than I expected. I did a sneak peek. You can go on your app and act like you're going to pay in order to see the stuff before it actually arrives. And so I cheated and looked at that, and it looks nicer in person than it did when I was doing my cheat. And this is cuter than I thought it was going to be too. Cool. So this is what, oh, and this is cute too. Oh my goodness. Okay, so one more thing. And then these are jeans by Pistola, which I like their jeans, and these have a detail, kind of like a gray color with a zipper detail at on the bottom. And they have the zipper, like kind of cargo style on there as well. So, all right, let's get started trying these on. Okay, so this is the first top, and it's got some cute detail around the neck and this little cutout here, the back, and it kind of goes from high to lower in the back. And these are the Pistola jeans. I'm wearing a size 25, and they fit snug, but they're supposed to, and they have a stretch to them, so I love that. It's funny because I didn't think I was going to want this stuff in this fix when I saw it, and now I'm falling in love with it. But, okay, so that's one, and then let me just kind of show you the back of these. And can you make out this detail with the stuff on the side? I have this one out again because I forgot to tell you that it's from Concepts, it's the brand, and this is an extra small petite. I'm kind of busty, and this was a little bit tight. I probably could have gotten away with a small in this shirt, to be honest. It fit okay, but if I keep it, I might exchange it for a small just so I have a little extra wiggle room. And then this shirt that I'm wearing here is the Fun to Fun brand, and it's got really cute ruffle detail, and I love the little cap sleeves. That's the back. And this is Fun to Fun. This is an extra small. And again, I wish I had a small in this area. It's got a little bit of give, but I still feel it. Okay, so this is the other top. It has the button I like that it's a V-neck. And it has this knot on it. Comes down a little bit more in the back. And it's sort of form-fitting, but not too tight either. So, and this detail on the side of the sleeve is really cute too. So the sweater has some cute details. It's not just your average cardigan. It has a nice big like see-through kind of knitting, so it's not as hot. And it has, on the sides, it has these like little braid kind of looking things coming down. So it's really cute, actually. This is by Love Ellie, and this is an extra small. I'm only 5'3", so on a good day, 5'2", really. I always say 5'3", but technically that's with heels. So anyway, this is really cute, and it's not too hot, but it is going to keep you a little warmer, because I noticed as soon as I put it on, it has these pockets. And also, I'm wearing the same jeans, the Pistola, and the front pocket, you could stick like something in there. They're in addition to the zippers. I don't know if these are functioning pockets. They are. So you've got plenty of pockets. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and look for some of my other ones.